Hello, in front of me I have REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I'm going to show you camera tricks on this device. Okay, so let's open up our camera app, and in here I'll try to show you the best things that we have in here. When we are in the normal photo mode, on the right side we can apply some filters as we take a look. In here we have a whole list of filters that we can set for our photo. And for example, when it comes to those three filters, we have also the information button next to each mode, which basically tells us what's changing. So we have the fresh, best for well-lit scenes such as beaches, parks, snow, landscapes, and indoor areas. We have the emerald mode, best for well-lit scenes such as street cafes, beaches, and parks. We have the clear mode, best for outdoor portraits. Pretty cool thing. You can try them on your own. Below we have the retouch function. Thanks to that we can beautify our photo a little. Above we have the Google Lens. Also, it's really useful feature. Let's click on while using the app. Now click on Open Camera. And now, this mode works in that way that we can take a picture of something. For example, in here I have this plant. I'll take a picture of it. And now we can adjust the frame manually, just like that. And now this mode works in that way that it's simply searching the internet based on that photo. So you can see that the Google appeared down below. The photo has been pasted into the search bar, and it's simply it's looking for the information about that photo. So in here we have, for example, a suggestion from the AI what it might be, and down below we have similar photos, and here we have the pages and the links that we can enter. Okay, you can also use this mode from your gallery. Simply click the icon right in here, click on Allow All, and you can pick the photo from your gallery to search up in the internet. Pretty useful thing. And we also have the translate function. Now select the language that you want to translate from, but I highly recommend to use the detect language. And now select on the right side the language that you want to translate to. So let's select, for example, this one. I don't know what it is. And now we need to simply take a picture of the text. Okay, and now as you take a look, it has been successfully translated into this language. That's how this works. Also a pretty useful thing. Okay, and now let's click on the button on the top right corner, and always let's make sure that the Auto HDR is enabled. We also have the night mode, which is the best for taking pictures when it's dark outside. Best for night shots. If you go into the more, we have the Pro mode right in here. In this mode we can change things such as ISO, shutter speed, exposure value, automatic focus, and the white balance. So before taking a picture we can adjust almost anything right in here to create a perfect photo. You can always click on information button to know what those things are. Okay. If you want to reset the settings, hit this button. Under more, we have also things such as high resolution. In this mode we have, best quality of our camera. In this mode we should be taking the pictures, but you need to be aware that in this mode you cannot zoom, because it will be simply worse if you would zoom with the high resolution mode. We also have, for example, the slow motion mode, dual view video. It's cool for the vlogging, for example. In this mode we can simply record the video from both cameras at the same time. If you click right on here, you can change the layout into bubble or oblong. Okay. Also, another cool thing is the text scanner that we can use. If you have some text, you can simply tap to see some information. Let's open up the settings also. Okay. We have the mirror selfie function. Save selfies as they appear in the viewfinder. Some people like that feature, some people don't. You know, with this mirror effect, I'm sure that you know what I'm talking about. Some people like that effect, some people don't. If you want to try it on your own, simply take the selfie with this feature turned on and without, and simply select the mode that you like the most. Below we have the shooting methods. We have tap to capture and show palm. Let me show you how it works. So now, basically, when tap to capture is on, we don't need to tap on the shutter button to create a photo. We can simply tap on the screen. Just like that. And as you take a look, the photo has been taken. Now let's go with this second mode. Show palm. Show palm to the front camera to start a timer. Let me show you. Sometimes it takes a few tries. Weird thing, let's try again, maybe. As you can see, it doesn't want to work properly. I had this situation before, and it's really, really annoying. This phone also has, for example, the air gestures, and they work exactly the same. I mean, they work really bad. But, alright, let's skip it. Yeah, you can try it on your own. Maybe in your case it will work a little bit better. In my case, I'll turn it off, because it's really, really annoying. Alright, below we have also the handy features, volume button action. We can change from the shutter to volume or zoom. So now basically when I'll click the one of the volume buttons, the photo will be taken, or I can select the zoom, and now I can zoom in or zoom out by holding volume up and volume down. Pretty useful thing. Back into the settings. If you want, under the video we have high efficiency video, you can enable it. We have also the quick launch. Double press either volume button when the screen is off to open camera in the street mode. If you want, you can enable that feature. Okay. And also, if you are interested, you can enable the frame watermark or the general watermark on your photo. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.